The purpose of this project is to allow the students at my high school to upload and download the certificates for the certifications they have earned throughout their high school career. As you can see, this is the login page where a student who has already created an account can log in. If they do not have an account, they can go here to the sign up page. The sign up page asks for basic information, and for this example, the full name will be test case, the email would be testcase@test.com, the school ID will be 123456, the password will be test, and the repeat password will be test. I spoke to my client and they told me that a possible improvement for the login page would be to add a forget password, so users who forget their password can reset it. And after a user logs in, there's a if statement that checks to see what their access number is. The access number can either be a 0 or a 1, and it will send access numbers of 0 to main page 0.php, and access numbers of 1 will send them to main underscore page 1.php. The 0 is for students and the 1 is for teachers. As you can see, if I were to put a 1 here, it would not allow me to go over there because I have an access variable of 0, as you can see it right here. So a student who goes here will automatically be on the download page, which is for the student to download files that they have already uploaded. Since this account has no downloaded or uploaded files, I will have to go here to upload, and I will now upload a file that I have already downloaded onto my computer before. I will choose the Daniel _Escobedo _CIW WFA.pdf file, and I will upload it to the database. After I upload it, I will get a confirmation saying that it was uploaded correctly. And as you can see, the name of the file was changed so that it would make it easier for me to download it afterwards. Now I go back to the upload page, go back to the download page, and now I can select which certification I want to download. Since I downloaded the CIW WFA certification, I'll click on that, and I will click download, and in the bottom I will have a notification saying that I successfully downloaded it. And here's a certification. The way that the certification is set up, the certification files are set up, is there are in the files with the rest of the files for my project, and there's a list of all the certifications, and in case one is accidentally marked incorrect or someone changes anything having to do with the files, it will go to the not marked file. And if I go to CIW-WFA, there's the file. Now I will show what this website will look like from a teacher's perspective. I'm going to log out and create another user, but this time I'll use my own information. Daniel Escobedo 203702, and my password will be anonymous. And now I will log in. But before I actually log in, I must first change my access to 1. And I was also talking to my client and a couple of other of my teachers, and they said that something that I should do to improve this project is to add a password hash, so whoever's accessing the database cannot see what the password is. And so now I will change the access to 1, so I can be able to see what the teachers will be able to see. And now I'll log in. And as you can see, the teachers have 2 ways to download. They can either download by they can either download a file by using the way that the students did, which would be for the teacher's own certifications, or they can select the certification for someone who is in the database. In this case, the only person in the database was test case, so I will put test case here, and since the only file that they have is ciw-wfa, I will download that file. And it correctly downloaded the file that was previously downloaded or previously uploaded. So the teacher can either choose, just to reiterate, the teacher can either choose to download their own certifications or download a student certification in case a student who has already graduated needs them.